In this episode of Bonding Through Mindfulness, we're exploring the transformative power of gratitude in our everyday lives. You might be asking, how can gratitude foster a deeper connection with your kids? Well, today, we're diving into exactly that and more. With just a few minutes of your time, we'll uncover how integrating mindfulness into your daily routines can enhance your bond with your children, making you a happier dad in the process. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about taking a moment to recognize the positive aspects of our lives amidst the hustle and bustle. When practiced mindfully, gratitude has the power to shift our perspectives, bringing us closer to the present moment and to those we care about. For fathers striving to spend quality time with their multiple kids, gratitude can be a game changer. Not only does it promote a positive environment at home, but it also teaches children to find joy in the small things, a valuable lesson that lasts a lifetime. Now, let's talk about how you can turn everyday tasks into mindful gratitude practices. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or even commuting, there's always an opportunity to practice mindfulness. When you're cooking with your children, for instance, take a moment to appreciate the colors and smells of the ingredients. Encourage your kids to express what they are grateful for at that moment. This not only enhances the sensory experience, but also opens up a dialogue about gratitude, creating a bonding opportunity while preparing a meal. Cleaning can also be transformed into a fun gratitude exercise. Instead of seeing it as a chore, turn it into a game. As you tidy up, take a few seconds to admire the environmental changes together. It might be as simple as feeling grateful for having a clean, comfortable space to play and learn. Transform these moments into storytelling sessions. Each item you pick up can have its own story of gratitude, creating an engaging way to connect with your children. Commuting, whether you're driving or taking public transportation, is another perfect opportunity to practice gratitude. Use this time to observe the world around you with your kids. Point out things you both find intriguing or beautiful. It might be the birds flying by or the way the sunlight hits the trees. Encourage your kids to share what they see and the feelings they associate with those sights. This shared exercise not only shifts your focus to the present, but also strengthens your emotional connections. The benefits of practicing mindfulness and gratitude in these small moments are profound. For you as a dad, it reduces stress, enhances your overall well-being, and fosters a peaceful mindset. For your children, it offers a valuable education in emotional intelligence and gratitude, equipping them with the tools to handle life's challenges. These practices promote open communication and a deeper understanding between you and your kids, creating lasting memories rooted in positive experiences. So how can you create a positive mindset and appreciate small joys together with your kids? Start by setting aside a few moments each day dedicated to these practices, and remind yourself and your children of the beauty in daily tasks. Emphasize the importance of expressing gratitude and taking pleasure in the mundane. When practiced consistently, these small acts build up to create a stronger, more loving family bond. Encouraging your children to express gratitude doesn't have to be complicated. Simple acts like sharing positive experiences from their day or keeping a joy journal can be both fun and enlightening. Encouraging these expressions helps children develop a sense of appreciation for the present moment, contributing to their happiness as they grow. Before we wrap up, let's recap some of today's practical strategies. Transform cooking and cleaning into gratitude games. Use commuting as a time to observe and appreciate, and create daily moments dedicated to expressing gratitude together. Each small practice contributes to developing a mindful, joyful mindset that bonds you with your children deeply. And that's all for today's episode of Bonding Through Mindfulness. I hope you found these insights useful and that you're inspired to integrate gratitude into your daily tasks with your kids. Remember, it's in these small, mindful moments that we create the most profound bonds with our children. Tune in next time as we continue exploring ways to nurture your family connections through mindfulness. Thank you for listening, and until next time, keep practicing mindfulness and enjoying the special moments with your kids.